Running your own business can be a beautiful, busy, and also a very rewarding journey. There's just so much to love about it. When you're at the helm, you have a greater autonomy in making your own decisions. You're a bit more flexible in when and how and where you work, and you have an immense sense of achievement. For many, it brings an increased sense of meaning and purpose. It takes a lot, though, of self-determination. Self-determination is our ability to make choices and manage our own lives. And it's pivotal for psychological well-being and motivation. In fact, according to self-determination theory, which is one of the most widely researched theories on motivation and personality, we're actually driven to grow and to change by three innate universal psychological needs. One, competence. It's mastery of different tasks and learning new skills. Number two is connection, a sense of belonging and attachment to others. And number three is autonomy, meaning feeling in control of our own behaviors and our goals. And running a small business often provides direct opportunities for these basic human needs to be met. That's why most people are driven to become and remain business owners. However, as rewarding as it can be, anyone who runs a small business knows it can also bring a range of stresses and different challenges. They can include managing cash flow and financial issues, working after hours, which compromise work-life balance, feeling isolated, wearing multiple hats, and just juggling numerous responsibilities, and even carrying the weight of the entire business success or failure on your own shoulders. So it's not surprising that small business owners report challenges with mental health. For instance, in a study by National Institute of Mental Health, it was found that 62% of small business owners reported experience increased feelings of anxiety or depression directly linked to their own business ventures. Yet a staggering 72% do not even seek support. See, when we're in good mental health, we usually experience a sense of clarity and calm. It's an excellent headspace for which to run a business. We also experience a broad range of positive emotions, which can bring additional benefits. For example, it might spark the urge to explore, even spark the urge to savor or integrate with others. This can in turn build our own personal resources, such as high quality relationships, which we can actually draw on in tough times. Mindfulness meditation is an accessible, proactive, and preventive tool that supports our mental health. Think of it as an exercise for the mind. Just like we only exercise when we're feeling good, right? You don't want to do it when you're just feeling unwell. We do it to buffer ourselves against different illness. Well, meditation is something that we can do to buffer ourselves against stress and overwhelm. In this video, we've divided the approach into 5 different techniques: the basics, stress management, relationships, resilience, and sleep. So let's unpack them together. The basics. Okay, so mindfulness is all about paying attention to the present moment with openness, curiosity, and doing it without judgment. There are 2 key parts to this definition. First, it's about focusing our attention where we are and what we're doing. It's about bringing our attention back when we get distracted. Essentially, it's the opposite of being on autopilot, of getting caught up in unhelpful thoughts or about past or even future events. It's about being present. Second, it's all about the attitude or the mindset that we bring into the present moment, the quality of our attention. So let's just explore what an example meditation would look like. So first, you would find yourself a comfortable seated position. You would close your eyes and start to soften your own gaze. Then you'd start to focus on your own breath. So you take a few deep breaths. You feel the sensations of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. You start to notice the rise and fall of your own chest. Then you start to scan your own body. You just gradually shift your attention from your breath to your physical sensations throughout your body. You start from your toes and you work all the way up to the top of your head. You notice any areas of tension or relaxation. Just do it without judgment. Simply observe. And then as thoughts start to arise, you just acknowledge them without getting caught up in them. Imagine your thoughts as just passing clouds in the sky. Allow them to come and just go naturally. And then anytime that your mind starts to wander, just gently bring your attention back to your breath or back to your physical sensations in your body. Use this practice to anchor yourself in the present moment. Just cultivate openness, curiosity, and non-judgmental attitude when it comes to your own experience. When you're ready, you just slowly bring your meditation to a close, take a few more deep breaths, gradually becoming aware of your surroundings. Notice how you feel before you start to return back into your normal daily activities. And look, if you're new to meditation, I strongly encourage you to start with something really super simple, something like this. And then when you start to feel comfortable with the basics of mindfulness and meditation, you can start to explore more specific practices based on the needs at any given time. On the other hand, if you've already got some experience with meditation, just jump in wherever you see fit. Number 2 is stress management. In the busy modern world we often find ourselves in, very few of us are strangers to stress. Small business owners are no exception. We know that we have to face specific stresses as just part of running our business. And meditation and mindfulness is a well-established and effective tool for stress management. The efficacy of mindfulness in reducing stress, anxiety, and associated physical and mental health challenges is supported by an ever-growing body of scientific research. All mindfulness meditations can be effective in helping an individual manage stress more effective. But we've earmarked 2 practices in particular that are super helpful. One is called box breathing. First, find a comfortable seated position. Sit upright, feel relaxed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose and start counting slowly to 4. Hold your breath for another slow count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for another count of 4 and hold your breath again for that final count of 4. And you just keep repeating that cycle several times. Box breathing is simple, yet super powerful. It's a technique that can help you calm your nervous system down fast. It also increases your focus and it'll help you manage your stress really effectively. It's called box breathing because it's equal parts. Breath cycles is like all equal lengths. It's like 4 sides of a box. Another practice that we totally recommend is just called a kindness meditation. It just involves you silently repeating phrases that express good wishes for yourself, for other people that you know. Just start by focusing on yourself, then gradually start to extend good wishes to others in widening circles. Remember, these practices are just tools. The more you use them, the more effective they start to become. Stress is a part of life, but with mindfulness, we can start to manage it in more healthy and constructive ways. The third section here is called relationships. One of the primary reasons people start a business is for the freedom that comes with being your own boss. However, the reality is that most business owners, they never switch off. Finding the balance between work and home life is one of the greatest challenges for small business owners. Running a business often requires long hours. It undertakes business-related activities after hours, and it can blur the boundaries between work and home life and can put a strain on some personal relationships. Mindfulness can actually help you foster greater self-awareness and self-compassion, as well as increased empathy and compassion for others around you. By cultivating greater awareness of your own needs and emotions and those of the others, we are better able to make choices that align with our own values, both as a business owner and as a partner or a parent. A key component of any successful relationship is communication. So how well do you actually listen? Well, mindfulness meditation uses music to help develop mindful listening skills, which are fundamental to building a great relationship in business. It can help you become more present and engaged in your interactions, whether it's with clients, with suppliers, with team members, or even other stakeholders. All you do is just find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Choose a piece of instrumental music that you really enjoy and just focus on the music. And as you listen, start to pay close attention to the different instruments, the different rhythm and the melody. Notice how the music makes you feel. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience. And notice any of your thoughts or emotions that arise as you are listening. Are there moments when your mind starts to wander? If there is, we'll just gently bring your attention back to the music. The next section is called resilience. And running a small business can be incredibly rewarding, but it also, as we have mentioned, can be super challenging, unpredictable at times, overwhelming, And resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adversity, is the key to navigating such challenges effectively and thriving in their wake. Let's put it a different way. Resilience is the ability to bend and not break. This psychological flexibility is an invaluable asset to a small business owner. It helps you to traverse the inevitable. It'll help you break and move across the changing tides and peaks and troughs. And it's important to note that resilience is not just a trait that people either have or don't have. It involves behaviors, thoughts, actions, and it can be learned and developed. Meditation helps small business owners do just that. Resilience is about the key to navigating the challenges of running a small business and thriving. This practice focuses on building resilience and cultivating the core inner resources of safety, satisfaction, and also connection. In this meditation, all you would do is just find again a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, start taking a few deep breaths, and then start by focusing on a memory or an image that makes you feel safe and secure. It could be a place, a person, or even an experience. Just let yourself fully immerse in that feeling of safety. Then shift your attention to a moment when you felt satisfied and content. It could be a small achievement or a moment of peace. Just allow yourself to relive the satisfaction. Then start thinking of a person or a group that you feel a strong, positive connection. Start to focus on the feelings of warmth, support that come from those connections. And lastly, spend a few minutes reflecting on the feelings of the safety, the satisfaction, and the connection. Just notice how they make you feel stronger and also more resilient. And as a business owner, you often are your harshest critic. This meditation starts to help you develop the ability to turn towards ourselves with warmth and compassion when we're feeling inadequate or even overwhelmed. In this one, just simply, again, find a place to sit, nice and quiet, close your eyes, start taking several deep breaths. You know how this goes. And this time you bring your mind to a recent situation that's caused you stress or self-doubt. But you start to recognize the feelings of inadequacy and overwhelm. Imagine yourself speaking to yourself during this period with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend in the same situation. Start using phrases like, it's okay to feel this way, or I'm here for you. Start picturing a warm, comforting light surrounding you, representing compassion and understanding. Let the light soothe and start to comfort you. Spend a few moments reflecting on how this practice starts making you feel. Notice any shifts in your emotion or even in your perspective. Building resilience and practicing self-compassion are essential for small business owners. These practices can help you navigate the ups and downs of running a business day to day with greater ease and also strength. The last section we're going to talk about is sleep. Some business owners find it hard to just switch off. This can be particularly challenging at bedtime and can make getting to sleep an absolute struggle. Mindfulness can assist with falling asleep. It can also improve your overall sleep quality. It supports cultivation of acceptance, non-judgment, and self-compassion, which can alleviate and de-stress that often accompanies yourself when you can't sleep. These meditations featured here just invite mindfulness and utilize common relaxation methods such as guided imagery, deep breathing, or listening to soundscapes. And they can be done while you're in bed and can help you build mental habits for healthier night's sleeps. You can check out a breath meditation online. A breath meditation is just simply our body's natural tranquilizer. It's a meditation that uses the breath, helps you wind down from a busy day's work, and it's best listened to when you're just lying in bed, ready to go to sleep. It's very simple. Just breathe, get into bed, make yourself comfortable, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, start to focus on your breath. Just notice the sensation again of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Feel the rise of your chest and your abdomen with each of your breaths, and start to deep breathe and really inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through the mouth. Repeat the cycle several times. Just allow your body to relax each and every time more and more. Then imagine a peaceful scene, such as a quiet beach, a serene forest, or visualize yourself wherever it is where you're just feeling calm and completely at ease. And if you prefer, you can start to listening to some of the calming sounds like gentle waves or even soft rain. In fact, we've got a little machine that spits out 6 or 7 different ones of these. It could be forest, it could be rain, it could be beach, it could be waves, anything that you choose. Just allow these sounds to just wash over you, guide you into a state of total relaxation. And as you do, just spend a few moments and just reflect on your day. Just acknowledge any thoughts or feelings from the day. Do it without judgment. Then just let them go, returning your focus back to your breath. And as you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, just allow yourself to drift into sleep. Remember, it's okay if your mind starts to wander. Just simply keep bringing your attention back to your breath. Cultivate a sense of peace and just total relaxation. Practicing these techniques regularly help improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Mindfulness at bedtime can completely transform your nightly routine. It can help you wake up feeling refreshed, ready to tackle the day. Okay, guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me on this journey through mindfulness and its incredible benefits for small business owners. We covered the basics of mindfulness in this one, effective stress management techniques, and also the importance of fostering healthy relationships, building resilience, and most importantly, improving your sleep quality. Each of these practices can profoundly impact your well-being and success as a business owner. But remember, mindfulness is just a powerful tool and you can incorporate it into your daily life at any time to help navigate the challenges and the joys of running your business. And by taking care of your mental health and cultivating a mindful approach, you'll be better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. And if you found this video helpful, please just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips on mindfulness, business, and personal growth. We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Share your thoughts on any of your mindfulness practices that worked for you, and your feedback really helps us create content that truly resonates with us and with also you. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.